What's on the ground? Airplane star? Where's the airplane? You don't like your jacket, huh? Where's the airplane? Where's the airplane? You don't like your jacket? I'm sorry if it makes you feel uncomfortable. Do you want to take the hoodie part off? Can you say hi? Can you say something to the camera? Can you count to 10? You are so silly. What'd you draw with your chalk? Did you draw airplane star? Can you say airplane?
Airplane.
Can you say star? Can you count to 10? Can you say your ABCs? Trixie, go Trixie. Trixie, go, go, go. Okay, say your ABCs. Good. Can you count to 10?
10.
No, you skipped 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You do it.
10.